Hey everybody, 6 months ago we came here to Motorhomes of Texas to talk about why this was a great place to buy a used diesel pusher. And today we're going to expand upon that video. So come on and join us. Hey everyone, I'm Jim and our channel's RV into Retirement. As I said in the intro, we found that Motorhomes of Texas is one of the best places to find a reasonably priced diesel pusher, and you can find them from anywhere from $60,000 up to close to $1 million. We're particular to Foretravels, but they do have other brands there. And this is part one of three, where we're going to take you through three different Foretravels. And the first one is going to be an IH-45. Behind me here is a Nimbus. Now, if you want to see the first video that we did, I'm going to post it right up here. And we walked around the outside of a lot of coaches so that you can get an idea of the exterior, some of the things that make them special. And we also did 2 videos on our own personal coach, which I'll also post up above and in the links below. Let us know what you think. These were taken in October of 2021. So whether they're still available or not, I don't know. But we hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about Foretravel, I'd be happy to answer them for you. And if I don't know, I'll find somebody who can provide you with an answer. This coach that we're going to look at is an IH-45. And so as you come in, you can see a little bit of a curved staircase coming up. You have a leather passenger seat, and then this is one of those air ride seats for the driver. Has a digital dash over here. We don't have the keys, so I can't turn it on. One of the things that's unique about Foretravels is that they don't have a Jake brake or an engine brake. They have a retarder, and this has 7 indentations where you can use that little stick shift to slow you down when you're going down a steep grade or just for normal stopping. So some of the things we noticed is much more modern styling, different kind of wood with curved cabinets compared to some of the Nimbuses and older coaches. Opposing couches here. Little dinette area. And one thing that we notice is that this kitchen counter is really deep. So that's an arm's length, and I still have a lot to go underneath. No dishwasher. Lots of cabinets, though.
Soft clothes.
Again, there's a lot of curves within this coach. There's curved cabinets, curved trim, curved wall.
And so that's just a regular electric.
Yep.
They did this nice cover on it, though.
I do like having this over what we have. You do get your electrical outlets right there. On our particular coach, the outlets are up underneath, so you have wires dangling down. Residential fridge, and then here's a pantry closet with pull-out drawers.
Also, you have the updated version of the electrical, the lights. We have the old style.
Oh.
This one has a big back.
Again, keeping with the curved styling, your cabinets are curved. Looks like it has a dual control elevated bed where each side can tilt up and down.
So what? So you are losing some space in your drawers because of the design, right? But they're nice. And the nice shelves, so you can put sweaters, whatever, t-shirts, whatever it is.
Built-in TV over here, and then some more
Storage.
corner cabinet.
And then the side has this interesting
It
pull-out.
has these electric
Oh,
doors,
wow.
which I don't know how to operate. There we go.
I'm not sure how I feel about that. If that breaks, but light.
Spacious bathroom.
Yeah, this is the rear. There is a mid bath on this model that you passed.
Big shower,
Very nice.
tiled with a seat.
Yeah.
And plenty of built-ins over there for soaps and other items. Oh, no. Nice walk-in closet. Wow. And then it looks like all your audio-visual equipment is in this cabinet here. Some additional shelves on the side.
We have another side over here.
And then a full-length mirror.
Oh, yeah.
And that must be a washer.
Yes,
Dryer?
and then here's your washer dryer combo. Stacked. That is, yeah. So you've got,
Very nice.
yeah.
This doesn't seem to open. This
I
does.
think that probably
It
does.
didn't seem like it.
No?
Nope, no, it's
Oh.
built in.
Oh wow. Yeah, I guess it doesn't. It's interesting.
Very quiet with the air conditioning going.
Yeah.
Nice big shades. I like the way the TV is built in over here.
What I was gonna say is on the side here, you have these big, deep kind of drawers. And you do have enough room, which is nice, because that's sometimes, I don't know we don't know the specifics on this coach yet. But sometimes you have to watch that, especially with shorter coaches.
Nice accent lighting. So there's accent lighting up on the top here. And then there's some more recessed under here.
So this table is fixed, so it doesn't come out. It might, I don't think it has a leaf in it either.
A couple of drawers on the bottom.
Storage. Got quite a bit of storage. Oh, I didn't show the mid bath. It's here. Which is,
It's actually not a
nice.
big, not a small
No.
size for
it's nice.
being a mid bath. Some of them are
And then these
like
two
airplane
cabinets,
size. Yeah, a lot of cabinets in here. So that's all
that's-
your
yeah.
circuit breakers and storage.
too. Towels. And then you have underneath storage too. Underneath the sink. Yeah, I mean, it's actually quite a bit, because you can go behind that. And I like this also, this shelving here that was right across.
Oh yeah,
That's actually very nice too.
all carpeted.
Mhm.
Looks like it has a built-in vacuum right there,
Oh, yeah, yeah.
and then the sweeping.
Yep. Yeah, so you have quite a bit. Like if you have to have like food storage, here's your only one that's kind of tall and not really that tall. So that's always been my adventure, to try to find places for my tall foils and stuff like that.
Very nice coach.
It
We'll
is.
look up the price on this
I-
and post it below. I do like all the accent lighting that they have.
Where's the TV?
the TV is right here. It's this big drop-down piece right up here.
Okay. Wow.
So it's probably a
Huge.
50 or 60-inch TV up there.
Yeah.
And then it has surround sound.
Except you're still sitting. I mean, I guess this is nice. If you have a big TV, I guess it's actually fine. Because you're not, you can sit here, you can see it. So it's actually not bad to have it like that.
No, very nice.
Yeah, it is actually quite nice. The flooring is tiled, of course, all tiled. Nice tile too. Yeah, I think it's it's definitely a nice coach. I'm sure.
Well, let's move on and go and find another coach to take a look at. In the next video, we're going to show you a slightly older Foretravel. We think that they're really a well-made coach, and so a lot of people shy away from going to the older coaches in the early 2000s and even in the late 1990s. But these are well-made coaches. I did a video of the factory tour. I'll post that up there and also in the comments below. And they're handmade. Right now their production line is putting out one coach in 45 days. And so compare that to mass-produced coaches. And they use all high-quality items in these coaches, which is why they have withstood the test of time, and they really hold their value. Also, with the higher-end coaches, another reason for going older is that a lot of the modern conveniences that are put into today's coaches were previewed in luxury coaches. So when you go older, you get newer equipment compared to some other models, if that makes sense. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great week. Until next time, we'll see you on the road.